Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to talk on La Merita Com store of Mexico and United States. In this video you will get to know about the legitimacy of this website. Friends, first let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are accessories, hats, shawls and dresses for women. And friends, the price of the products are quite overcharged. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So customers can pay through PayPal, Amex, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa, MasterCard and so forth. Friends, let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that shipping time and shipping charges are not stated on the official website. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and hit on the bell icon so that we make much more informative videos for our viewers. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, La Merita Com store is protected through HTTPS protocol and have SSL certification. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 25th December 2019. But friends, despite of being into existence from almost 1 year, the trust score of the website is low, and as per Alexa rating, traffic over the website is less. Now let's take a look on About Us section to know more about this website. So friends, here on the official page we can see that there is no About Us section. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So friends, again here we can see that contact details are not disclosed. Addition to this, friends, the links of the social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram and YouTube lend us on the page of Myra Alejandra, which is a negative sign. Now let's have a look on return policies. So again, information related to return refund are not disclosed on the official website. And talking about the La Merita Com store reviews, guys, so over the internet we could not find even a single customer review. And addition to this, friends, the images of the products over the website are unique, but 17% of the content of the website is copied because it matches with other websites. So based on these points, we would conclude that La Merita Com store is possibly a scam because no legitimate website hides information such as shipping details, return refund policy, contact information and so forth. Friends, however, if you have ordered anything from La Merita Com store, do share your reviews with us in the comment section below because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, guys, and do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Guys, if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Thank you guys, you have been a great audience. Stay safe, stay informed.